In the future, automation and AI will accelerate faster than ever, reshaping how we build and test software. Yet through all this transformation, human intelligence will remain the compass and guiding technology, asking the questions machines cannot, and defending the values that no algorithm can quantify. We envision a world where testers are no longer seen as button pushers or defect reporters, but as guardians of trust, interpreters of risk, and strategic partners in business success. A world where quality is not reduced to charts and numbers, but embraced as a shared responsibility, a commitment to excellence, integrity, and human judgment. This is the HIST Dream: to restore pride in our profession, to place human thinking back at the heart of quality, and to build products people can truly trust and love.